Welcome to another episode of Phantom Bricks. Today we're going to be taking a look at 100 years of Disney animation icons. It's set number 43221. It's part of the 100 years of Disney celebration. It's a really neat set, so let's get to it. This set is a must-have for any fans of LEGO and Disney. It's one of the sets that's been released in 2023 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of Disney. It makes a great display piece. It comes with two separate frames, a smaller one that holds one of the squares, and then the larger one that holds 9. This set is similar in concept to the brick sketch sets that have been out a few years. Use the parts to make a representation of various Disney characters. We've only shown you a few in this video, but one of the coolest things about this set is that LEGO included enough parts to build 60 different sketches. You can't build them all at the same time, but this set has a lot of variety and gives you a lot of different building options. The larger frame makes a great display piece to hang on the wall, and the smaller frame makes a nice desk display as well. This is an all-around fun set, one that we highly recommend. We hope you've enjoyed this look at the brand new 100 Years of Disney Animation Icons, set number 43221. It is out now. It's available for $59.99. You can find it on our website at www.phantom-toys.com. And if we're out of stock, you can always find it at lego.com. Phantom Bricks is produced by Phantom Toys and Games. We are an online retailer of LEGO products and an authorized dealer of LEGO products. If you like this content, please consider hitting the subscribe link below. We love to hear from our viewers, so please consider leaving a comment as well. And until next time, happy building.